The F1 error code on a Whirlpool dehumidifier indicates a control board failure, which is a critical component that enables the appliance to function. This error can be caused by a faulty electronic control board, a defective dehumidifying sensor, or a tripped circuit breaker. To fix the F1 error code, one possible solution is to replace the control board, which involves disconnecting the appliance, removing the water collection bucket, air filter, and front grille, and then taking out the back panel and outer casing to access the fan capacitor and electronic control board. Once the old board is removed, a new one can be installed, and the parts can be reassembled. Another solution is to replace the dehumidifier sensor, which may require inspecting the harness connections to the control board and purchasing a new sensor if damage is found. Additionally, if the issue is caused by a tripped circuit breaker, it may be necessary to identify and remove other high-power appliances that share the same circuit, and then reconnect the dehumidifier. By taking these steps, the F1 error code can be resolved, and the Whirlpool dehumidifier can be restored to working order.